Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to delete your Grubhub account. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official grubhub.com website right here and log into your account, or if you're on your mobile phone, go ahead and open up the application. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the restaurants that you can order from. If you're on your mobile, it will look something a bit different like this. As you can see, all of your options are at the bottom of the page, but it's basically the same thing. So guys, after logging in, then you'll be greeted by this main page right here. And now let's say that for some reason we want to go ahead and delete our account. This is what we have to do. If you go ahead guys and click on your profile icon right here, that you will find it up in the upper right corner, and this will now open up this new menu where you have multiple options such as to see your orders, you can see your saved restaurants and so on. And if you open up the account option guys right here, you'll see that there is no option to delete our account. We can see only refer a friend or maybe say restaurants, enter gift cards and so on, but we can't delete my account. So guys, how do we do that? Well, basically to be able to delete our account, we will have to go ahead and contact their support center. So we're going to go ahead and open up the menu again and click the help option right here. And this will take us to this new page where we can go ahead and contact them at their support. As you can see, they have multiple options that you can select right here that you need help with. But basically guys, you can see all the options and you can select one of them to be able to contact them, or if you just want to go ahead and contact them differently, go ahead to Google and search for Grubhub contact. As you'll see, this will open up how to get help, and this will take you to this new page where you can contact customer support and the same page. But yeah guys, basically just go ahead and select one of the options and say you want to delete your account, and then they will be able to delete it. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.